Boy, we needed the rain. So most places did pretty well last night, late on your 4th of July, and we really needed this to break up some of the drought-like conditions that we've had over the last few weeks. This is last night's rain, and this morning's rain was our last shot at anything significant or widespread until Saturday afternoon and evening. Anything between now and then is going to be isolated in nature, but if you do get under one of these thunderstorms in the next few days, albeit isolated, they will be capable of producing drenching downpours as we have a hot, humid air mass in place. And this will go down as the hottest week that we've had thus far this summer, no question about it, over the next 4 days. Very warm and humid conditions. So, that was NOAA. This is Intellicast. These are your current conditions. And I want to emphasize the point here about the heat and humidity this week. We'll take a look at Thursday. We're going to snapshot Thursday. And we'll look at the NOAA forecast tools that they have on weather.gov. And you notice that the dew point temperature is in the upper 60s to low 70s. Anytime you get that, that is just going to be very uncomfortable. This is something that we're not used to because any shots of heat and humidity have been fleeting. You know, they've been 1 or 2 days and then they're out. But we're really going to have a sustained period here beginning today of muggy conditions. You'll see fog develop at night. And you'll have the isolated thunderstorm chance each and every day. Most places won't see one. The best chance will be Saturday afternoon and evening. Speaking of which, we'll clear that out, and here we go. I give myself an A for effort. This is off the Tropical Tidbits page. This is the GFS model for Saturday afternoon and night. And we have a strong cold front that'll be moving through the region. It'll touch off showers and thunderstorms, and some of them could be quite strong because we have all this heat and humidity in the way of this cold front. The best upper-level dynamics might be over New England. That might spare the region of really severe thunderstorms, but I think nonetheless, when all is said and done, everybody gets a drenching thunderstorm on Saturday afternoon and evening, and then we go back to the old pattern that we were in. So when we look at the upper-level pattern, after that front goes by, if you've been following on the videos, you know, you're going to say, hey, this looks pretty similar. Trough in the west, the Pacific Northwest, ridge in the middle, trough in the east, that dip in the jet stream. And we'll have that for a few days for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, bringing our temperatures back down, to normal levels and making the humidity levels comfortable again. And then probably by the mid to late next week, if you go a little bit further out in time on the models, we warm up and then we get more humid and then we probably knock down those humidity values late next week. So, back and forth we go. It's a changing pattern. Weather Underground has your temperatures, and yes, it's changing, but thankfully we're keeping a lot of the same themes of brief periods of heat and humidity if you don't like that sort of stuff. But over the next few days, take it easy. Watch out during the peak heating hours of the day, especially for those that are affected by poor air quality. That'll be one of the mainstays of this heat and humidity. But then we'll break it up by Saturday afternoon and evening with showers and thunderstorms and a return to cooler temperatures.